you? Where are you? There you are. There's my fob. Okay, we good. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to, oh, this would be day 8, right? It's Thursday. So yeah, the 8th day. And today's the day we go over the mountains. We get, in the words of John Denver, a little Rocky Mountain high. So tank is full. Oh, I forgot to set my thing. I'll do that in a second. I'll pull on the ramp and do it on the shoulder. I'll pull on the shoulder here and do it. Oh, baby. You stay. Okay. Do. Not you. Get the right planner. Harley, if you're listening, the only complaint I have about the way you've done this is with... Stop that. Yes. The only complaint I have with you is the, no. I'm just gonna listen to music. The only complaint I have with you, Harley, with the new Right Planner app is you cannot change, or I should say, you cannot check in at dealerships in the middle of a ride like you used to be able to. So like if you just stop into the dealer for a reason, you can't get your whatever points it is for doing your check-in. So you got to stop your ride to do it. And to me, that is a fail on your part. So you get that fixed, Harley, and it's not bad. Alright, first fuel stop will probably be, let's get the cruise up to about 80. Make some time going through a western slope area. Wind today is supposed to be out of the south something or other. It don't really matter. It's going to be mostly a crosswind, so that'll help. Oil level I know is good. I put in about half a quart. Probably dropped about 2 ounces on the ground because, well, no funnel and yeah. Dipstick's in, right? Yeah, I'm good. Probably will stop in about, we'll have one stop probably around, my guess is Vale. Probably about Vale, and we'll go ahead and do that. Then we'll have another fuel stop in Denver on the east side of Denver, and we'll stop at the Harley dealer there. And go ahead and get another, at least one, probably 2 quarts, just because, well, I'm thinking the vetted dipstick should actually be at the house today, because I bought it from Parts Giant because they were the cheapest for the fueling vetted dipstick, and I know it won't hurt anything by adding it. It won't hurt anything by adding it. Must have a little bit of a headwind right now. I know this winter this thing is getting major work done. 50K will be past due. So that's going to get done if nothing else. I'll have so we'll have that needing to get done. I'll have so that involves I think at the very least it involves changing the oil in the forks. So that means the handlebars have to come off. Well, I don't know. With the inverted front end, you might be able to go from the bottom. Slide the fork tubes out to the bottom. But that would mean you need to take the front wheel off, which, you know, and then as well, I'd probably go ahead and get new rubber thrown on this thing. And besides, it'll be time for new rubber by that time. I mean, it'll be, oh, what, about 12,000 miles, probably. I think it was right around 38, 39 when I had these put on, the set. And these Bridgestones, I'm getting about 12,000-ish. I might switch to the Commander 3s. I haven't decided that one yet. The downside is this bike takes a taller tire than the touring bikes, but the wheel size and the width are the exact same. I believe the touring bikes are a 180/65 and this takes a 180/70, 16-inch tire. And I think this is a combo. We're going uphill, plus we are, it's a combo. I'm going uphill and probably have just a little bit of a headwind. I'm going to be looking at for the next probably 45 minutes or so until I get to Glenwood Springs, which is when I get to one of the absolute crown jewels of the interstate system, and that is Glenwood Canyon. So I'm going to cut it here. I'll pick this up in Glenwood Springs. See you in a little bit. Alright, I lied. I'm going to pick this up here because this isn't Glenwood, but I forgot about this part. I forgot this part. It's always nice when you see chevrons on an interstate. And they're legitimately needed, too. Okay. That's a name. Park. Yeah, I ended up spending about a nickel more on gas than I had to if I would have waited till I got here. But that's okay. That's okay. I'm still going to need, even if I would have gotten gas here, I still would have needed gas before I got to Denver, to Wheat Ridge. Temp's pretty good. It's right about 200 degrees above ambient, which is about what you expected. Grand Mesa. Say so. I wonder if it's a Grand Mesa, if it's the grandest mesa of the Grand River. I don't know, maybe. Another group looked like it's probably either like maybe six bikes. I was talking to them for a minute, and they're actually going to the Oregon coast. So that was cool to talk to them for a little bit. Unfortunately, though, get back to the hotel. I mean, it was fine. They told you right when you got there they have issues with some kind of bugs. I forget what they call them, but I don't care. I mean, I'm just going to sleep there. I don't give a crap. Man, I hate this time of day. First tunnel going through the mountains. Not the last, though. Alright, we're in Parachute now. Parachute, Colorado. 5,100 feet. And we still got about another 6,000 and change to go up. We go to the tunnel. About 6,800 if I go up Loveland Pass. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I have not decided that one yet. A lot's going to depend on what time it is when I get there. I kind of want to be in Denver by 11, so we'll see. Depends on how good a time I make going up the western slope. They build the loves here? For the longest time, there were none of the big 5 truck stops from Wheat Ridge all the way to until you got to Salina. No, Green River. Pilot and a Love's in Grand Junction since then. But for the longest time, like when I worked for England, you had to get fuel in Denver. You did not want to be going across the mountains with less than 3/4 of a tank of fuel because you wouldn't make it, especially if you were up at 70,000 plus pounds. But now they built a lot of truck stops in this area in the western slope. I'll pick this up again as I get when I take my pit stop here in about another half an hour or so. Alright, see you then. Alrighty, I'm coming into Glenwood Springs. I'm going to stop in a few minutes, but we got nice canyons on both sides. So we'll go ahead and film a little bit. I think I'm close enough now where I can probably make it all the way to Denver on gas. So we'll go ahead and make a fuel stop now. Probably at the East Glenwood exit. This might be the exit I stopped in last time. With the come and go that's got the cafe that butts up right against the river. Alrighty, go ahead and stop here and get some fuel, and I don't know if I'm going to get a sandwich or not. I've not decided that one yet. I'm probably going to wait till I get to Denver. Glenwood Springs, 5,800 feet. We're about halfway up the hill now. Alright, get fuel, we'll get an oil check, fresh battery, all that good stuff. Alright. Neutral, please, thank you. Alright, I will see you guys in a little bit.